Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay December 13, 2023, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. result ngayong December 13, 2023, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Wednesday, December 13, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 13, 2023, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 31 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 63.5 million pesos for Wednesday, December 13, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of December 13, 2023, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.